I'm going away and I really don't feel like dealing with my natural hair, even though the hair is already relaxed and I can easily do a pixie hairstyle, but I don't feel like dealing with it for now. And I want to do that when I am on my holiday. So I decided to do a quick wig install. So I have this wig on. This is very quick, very simple, not everything really fancy. I'm just combing and brushing the wig, and I'm going to use the favorite hairspray, which is the got to be. You can actually curl it if you want the curls to be more like defined. You want really nice curls, you can go ahead and curl it. But I wasn't really going for that, and I actually didn't have the time to do this. So I'm like, you know what, a quick wig. I wouldn't want it to put black as well. I just want something color because I'm always in black. And I was like, you know what, let me just do something color. So at least on my holiday pictures, I can get a different color of hair because I'm going to wear my natural hair, which is already black. So I put the wig on and I'm kind of like push it back a little bit and then go in with the got to be hairspray. I think I went like 2 or 3 times with the hairspray, and then I also went with a blow dryer to make sure that it's a bit sticky before ever I go in with the wig. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Very simple. I have my towel because the spray is like dropping on my face and I don't like it, and I'm not gonna do any makeup, so it was just an easy wig install and just simple going. As for the corner around my ears, I like to go in with a little bit of a harder glue because this part kind of tend to raising up a little bit because I always like to put my hair in the pony, so it always kind of like lift up a little bit. So I'm going to put like a really strong hole glue, lace glue, to make sure everything lie down properly. So yeah, this is what I normally do if I going to be putting my hair all the time in pony and I really don't want to have it lift up. So I do this and it was very, very easy. It was really easy. I went in with this glue as well. I don't know the name, but it's a glue, popular glue. I saw it on TikTok as well, and I started to pick it up. So yeah, I'm just air drying it, make sure everything is like dry, not 100% dry, but at least dry enough that it's a bit sticky that when I put the lace on, it can stick on it. And yeah, after that, I just tied it and then go in again with the hair dryer to make sure everything dry properly. So I'm just like trying to make sure everything. This is a very quick install. It's a 13 by 4 lace, but it's very, very quick install. Nothing really fancy. Just a quick one. Just quick blow dry. And it was so hot. It was really, really hot. The weather was really beautiful, but I didn't really have time to do my natural hair. My hair, I didn't really have time to do any hairstyle. So for me, this was like perfect, This was like so easy since I'm always gonna wear in a ponytail. So I'm like, this is so easy. So I'm gonna use this elastic to melt to make sure that the lace kind of like melts with the glue and everything, and then just blow dry it. Also, make sure blow dry everything. Blow dry. When everything dry properly, I'm gonna take it out and then I'm going to do the baby hair. Baby hair, not really fancy, just making sure I get my baby hair. It looks a bit nicer because since I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm going to put a hair in a pony, so I definitely want to do something with the baby hair, you know, just do it a little bit nicer, brush it. If I want more curls, I can actually add more curls, but I wasn't really going for that. I wasn't going for that since I was going to put it in a pony. So for me, it wasn't really important to go in to curl it because I'm going to put it in a pony. So it doesn't make sense to go with a curly iron and curl everything and then later on put it in a pony. So yeah, so I just put it in a pony and then wrapped it using elastic band, just wrap everything. Now I'm going with this towel to get rid of any excess glue before I go in with the edges, before I did the edges properly. So yeah, I'm just going to use a hair mousse to do my edges because I don't want to use the glue. I just want it to shape a bit, look a bit nicer, a bit more presentive on my face at least. So my face look a little bit cutie because I'm not wearing any makeup. It was just too hot for any makeup and traveling, going to be sitting down for a long time. you don't really want to travel. I don't really like going with a makeup when I'm traveling. I just like to have like my natural face and for it to breathe. So when I'm there, I'm gonna do my makeup and all of those things. But for now, I just want like something simple. Yeah, just something simple, nothing. So after I did the edges, I'm going to tie it again so that it dry properly. I'm just gonna try it to get rid of all those flyaways. I have a wax stick that I use. I don't know if I do it in the video, but I do have a wax stick that I use to make sure that everything lie down very smoothly to get rid of all the flyaways and stuff like that. And just blow dry it. Yeah, it was okay. Take it off, brush everything, and your gal was ready to go. It was so quick. This was so quick, so easy. Yeah, I think this is the wax stick that I'm using. Just make sure everything lie down, no flyaways, nothing. Just make sure everything's lying down very smooth, looking cute. Even though I don't have any makeup on, still looking cute. And I got this hair mist from the Action. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. I saw it and I'm like, hey, a perfume for your hair. Okay, loved it. I loved it. It smells really, and I use this all the time, even on my natural hair, because sometimes when you dress, you want your hair to smell a bit good. Sometimes I use my perfume on my hair, but then I was like, it's nice to get a separate hair mist for your hair. Something that's meant for hair, not your normal perfume. So yeah, this was it. It was me on holiday after doing my makeup, looking all cute.